Hey friends, if you wish to add a contact in Gmail, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So go to contacts.google.com. Don't go to Gmail because that's not where you add contacts. And make sure that you logged in with the same ID. Okay, same ID for both Gmail and Google Contacts. Now you'll be in the contacts column initially. So you can click on create contact. Now name put the first name of the person and put the last name of the person and then scroll down and add the email ID if you want to, but you definitely need to add the phone number. Okay, and you can also add a label if you want to, and then click on save. So this is how you can add a contact to Google Contacts. And I'll tell you one very interesting thing. When you log into your phone, your Android phone, using your Google account, all of these contacts are copied there. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.